Aloha everyone!
I'm Gabby
And I'm Georgie,
and we are the mummies of Sisterhood Furniture
and content creators for Dixie Belle Paint.
In this tutorial we will be working on this bureau and paint it super colorful and quirky
with the help of Dixie Belle Paint. So stay with us if you want to see how we did it step by step. I sanded the whole piece with an 80 grit sandpaper to remove the flaky varnish and any imperfections. Then I cleaned the piece really well with Dixie Belle Furniture Cleaner White Lightening. Once I was done with cleaning, I rinsed the piece twice only with water to remove any leftover solution or any dirt.
First step, it's mixing this stunning color Mermaid Tail with sea spray, which is a texture additive. We usually don't measure how much paint or powder we add, just adding little by little until we get the right texture. I started to apply it in many directions with a cheap brush to create even more textures and patterns. After the texture dried in a few hours, I opened a new can of Plum Crazy, which is always satisfying. I mix it and then I just apply it in many directions, same as the texture before. Only now we will leave some of the Mermaid Tail revealed. In some spots I will just go over the texture with the leftover paint that will be picked up on the texture underneath, and in some other spots I will cover completely mermaid, just going with the flow. Once the Plum Crazy dried, I overlaid some Pure Ocean, this electric stunner. In some spots I will apply full coverage, in other spots I will apply water to dilute the paint, so the color underneath will slightly break through, just playing around. On the left side of the piece I applied pistachio. I just adore this color combo. Anyway, I overlaid it and blended, and at some point I blended with Pure Ocean, but the blending between these two colors goes really smoothly. I added some kudzu, some Mermaid Tail as well, and blended with pistachio, and then I carried on working with the Pure Ocean. Now I return working on the left side of the piece with pistachio, but I will add some more colors on the way, like Mermaid Tail and a bit of yellow because it was a must. It looks amazing in this combination. On the handles and the writing area, I applied 2 coats of adhesion primer from Dixie Belle called Slick Stick, and I let it cure for 24 hours prior to painting. Once everything has dried, I took out again Plum Crazy and Peony first, and I applied them on this corner on the same style as we did the whole piece. Only that here we will just work on a little triangle. I blended now some Florida orange and it already starts to look crazy good. I blended some flamingo too, and we are done with this corner, but some more magic is coming our way. Wait for it. On the wood inside the bureau I applied fresh and clean wax, and it smells amazing. It protects and enhances the wood. Once it has dried, I painted it with black in 2 coats for a full coverage. While the black paint was drying, we are going to do something with Dixie Shine, this golden foil. But first I applied Dixie Shine glue with a cheap brush, which has tough bristles that will give me brush strokes, exactly what I want. We left the glue to sit for about 15 minutes, hardly because the excitement was too big, and then we applied Dixie Shine. Just rub it on there and let the magic happen.
I sealed the exterior of the piece with 3 layers of flat clear coat and the writing area with 3 layers of gator hide, letting each coat to dry for about 2 hours.
And this is the final result! It turned out crazy, quirky, and we love it. And hope you love it too as much as we do. If you do so, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more colorful furniture tutorials. See you soon! Bye!